Hello guys, welcome to the Touch Plus channel on YouTube. Today in this lesson of CSS we will work with box style. But before we start, subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment to support me. Now we open our bracket. After we have added some basic HTML codes. Now we open our live preview. Now in here we add the dev class. We name it, we add text box 1. It has added. Now we add an style for this. Plus box 1. Now we come to our CSS and add an style for this. We come and add weight 250 px. Then height 150 px. Background color we copy this green. Now we want to change the font size. Font size 40 px. Now we want to align it in the center. Text align center. But we want to center this vertically too. To make it center vertically, we should add line head for it. Line head should be equal to height. If it be equal to height, it will be at the center. and 50 px. Now it's in the center. Now we add another box in here. We copy this. Now we have added another box. We changed the background color. Now we want box 2 should be beside the box, beside this box. To add this, we should add float in here. If we add float for the boat will be beside to beside. Now we add another box we add box 3. We copy this. Now we change the color. Now we see that we have 3 boxes, but if we zoom in here, if we zoom in, it will go down, but if we zoom out, they will be at the same sizes. We add another box, box 4. We use the same style as the other boxes. And change the background color. We have changed this to read, but if we zoom out, it will be in the same row, but we want number 4 should, if we zoom out, it should not go up. To do this, we don't need to add fruit for this. Now we should add another style for this. We add clear for this. Now if we zoom out, it will not go beside this tree. Now we have learned how to add box style float. Now we want to add some other codes in our HTML. For this, we should comment our HTML. Now we have commented this. Now we want to add li. We have added this. We copy this. Four times. Now we come here and add some styles for our leaf, for our list item. First of all, we do not need this bullet. We add list style type. None. We have added this to remove the bullet points. Now we want to add a background color for this. We come and copy this color. We want to change the weight Now we want to make this text in the center. To make it in the center, we add the text align center. To add it to make it center vertically, we have learned before. Line height 35 px. Now it's in the center, but we want this list or this menu should be side by side. To make this, we add float for this. If we add float, it will be side by side. Now we want to add another style for this. Li hover. Just we want to change the background color. From here we copy this color. Now if we hover the mouse, our background color will change. We have added this in four menu items. Before it was vertically, and now it's horizontally. If we add two more rows, they all will be side by side. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Have a nice day.